In this video, we'll talk you through the daily and weekly cleaning process for the E60 machine. Let's get started with cleaning the milk system. It's really important to clean the milk system regularly to keep your machine running smoothly and maintain hygiene. Here's how you do it. First, you'll need to access the cleaning menu. To do this, press and hold the Place logo on the top left-hand corner of the screen for 3 seconds, then release. There's no password required. Just click Complete to move forward. Now we're into the menu. You'll see a few options across the top. Select the second one, labelled Cleaning. Then choose Milk System Cleaning and click Start. Follow the instructions that appear on the screen. The first step is to empty the drip tray. Once that's done, the machine will ask you to prepare a cleaning solution. To do this, take a clean container and add 50 milliliters of cleaning solution to 400 milliliters of fresh water. To measure the cleaning solution, remove the bottle's lid and give it a gentle squeeze. The measuring cup at the top will fill automatically with exactly 50 milliliters. Pour that into the water and mix it well. Once you've prepared the solution, click Next on the screen. Now take the milk tube out of the milk container and place it into the cleaning solution. Then click Next again and confirm to start the cleaning cycle. When the cycle is finished, you'll need to empty the cleaning solution from the container and refill it with 300 milliliters of clean water. Place the milk tube into the water and confirm to start the rinse cycle. At the end of the rinse cycle, the machine will prompt you to empty the drip tray again. After that, remove the cleaning container, click Next and confirm to finish. Finally, put the milk tube back into the milk container and you're all done. The cleaning cycle is complete.